So there's the technology things that are going on in the industry, and then there's the non-technology things going on in the industry. So on the technology side, we see AI. I think everybody sees AI as top of mind. Also, private networks is a big deal. A lot of people talking about it. We see companies spending money, investing in it. We're looking at new disruptive technologies. So quantum computing, how that might impact telecom. We're looking at spatial computing. So how AR and VR is going to change the network industry, maybe how it's going to be a new opportunity, but also like the use cases and how is the industry actually going to support this creation of a quote unquote metaverse. These are some big picture things, but we are, in our forecasts, we look 5 years out, at least 5 years out. So we need to be thinking about, what's coming and looking at making sure we're keeping pace with that. So that's on the technology side. On the non-technology side, it's really about running the business. So we all know the cost of capital is going up. Interest rates have increased quite significantly, especially in the last 12 to 18 months. And given the high rates of leverage endemic to the telecom industry, this is an issue. And how are these companies going to manage cash flow? How are they going to manage CapEx? We are already seeing behavioral changes among the telcos and some of the vendors. This is actually one of the predictions for our 2024 document, is how is the financial situation, the macro situation, going to impact the telecom industry? So that's something we are very much aware of, watching, actively researching. So I've been at this company for 16 years, and I am the most excited coming into 2024 about the strength of the syndicated portfolio, the subscription, and the research reports that are associated with that. We have the strongest, highest value offering that we've ever had. And we are introducing new reports, we are evolving existing reports, and we're putting addendums, enhancements, add-ons, you can think of it in those ways, to a broad range of the reports. So I'll give you some examples of this. So from a new report perspective, we're coming out with a telecom-centric AI report, looking at Gen AI and AI more broadly, and how the telecom industry is participating in that domain. On the product enhancement side, we're doing several things. We're evolving our public sector operator report, which is a niche area for us. We're evolving that into a formal benchmark. So there's going to be a significant size data set that's coming with that report. We're adding more slides, we're adding more operators to the coverage list of that report. On our enterprise operator benchmark, the B2B aspect for telcos, we're adding more coverage of operators. We are adding more breakouts. In the private cellular networks reports, we're adding more data segmentation, more vendor coverage, and there's a few other areas that we're also on the subscription, what comes with that subscription. So we're extremely excited about these changes. And we actually started bringing some of these things to market in 2023. So some of our clients have already started to see the evolution of some of these reports. And there's a lot more coming for next year.